So when you check some YouTube content is good, so automatically its video length is 2 hours or 3 hours. But maybe sometimes we don't have time to listen entire 2 hours or 3 hours. So in such scenario, definitely we can convert the video into like notes, like notes. Is it okay? Notes means like some description or summary of the video means in a text file. So that possibility is there with the Node GPT AI. So here all of you check it, left side different options are there: AI YouTube, AI presentation, AI home, homework helper. These are important options are available with this particular Miss AI tool. So first one, AI YouTube. So here, Miss, whatever you want to upload the YouTube link, you can upload the link. Here, I have searched for some algorithm, that is AS algorithm, and all of you check it. I have given one YouTube link, and the right side one button is there, that is summarize now. So when I click summarize now, automatically the YouTube video is converted to some notes. That is like summary of the entire YouTube video. All of you check it. This is the summary of the miss left side. You are observing one YouTube link, that is advanced encryption standard. That is left side it is available, and the right side some summary is available. Means no need to listen the entire content in that video, because maybe sometimes it is 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, or 5 hours, 10 hours. So miss listening 10 hours video, it is not a easy task. It will consume more time. That is the reason when you convert the entire video into summary, automatically you will get some idea from that particular video, because we are not going to listen the entire video, but we are going to read the summary of the video. So easily we can get some idea about that particular content in that video. This is one advantage from this from this AI tool, NodeGPT.io. Now the next category, AI tools for analyzing research papers. Nowadays, the people don't have any habit to read the textbook or to read the research papers, because we are busy with many tasks. Suppose maybe we are employees of organization, or we are doing some business. So in this busy schedule, we are not in a position to spend more and more time for reading the technical papers or for reading research papers. So in that scenario, definitely we need to take help from artificial intelligence tools. So these are the tools which are related to literature survey, preparation of literature survey papers. The first tool, that is paper digest. Paper digest. So here in this particular website, Miss Paper tool, paperdigest.org. So here, whatever you want, you can give the prompt. So here, I have given the prompt, that is celiac disease prediction. Celiac disease prediction. When you click on the button, automatically downside you can find it displays total 10 papers, topmost 10 papers. Means from those 10 papers, it finds the good content, and it prepares some overview of the content. So that overview is strongly related to those 10 papers only, those 10 top papers, top 10 papers. So here in top side, you can also find different options are there. First one is review, second one is research, third one is papers, anytime. That is like different options. Uh, uh, Miss third option, you can check it. Different formats are available: papers, patents, like that. It will show different options. It will give different options. If you want to get the papers, you can get the papers. If you want to get the patents, you can get the patents. Suppose celiac disease prediction. Now you are going to file a patent. So in such scenario, first of all, you need to check the existing patents. Uh, then only you will get some idea about the patent. Then after reading the existing content, you can propose the new content for the patent. So here, that is your option. You want to download the papers or you want to download the patents. That is your wish. And the first one is review papers. Second one is research papers. Third one is papers or patents. You can check it. Different options are available. Fourth one means year of publication, like that. This is the summary of the papers. Suppose I have given the prompt celiac disease prediction. So related to celiac disease prediction, it checks top 10 papers which are already published. From those 10 papers, it prepares some overview of the papers. Next one, app.com, researchrabbitapp.com. This is the uh, website. This is the website. So here, suppose when you are doing research, definitely your supervisor may tell, get the best base papers. Base papers, that is the base for your research. Base papers may be one base paper, or two base papers, or three base papers. It depends. Not more papers, maybe one or two or three maximum. Is it okay? So in such scenario, when you have base papers, based on the base paper, when you are trying to get the content, research content, definitely possibility is there. It is possible through this particular tool, that is researchrabbitapp.com. This is AI tool which gathers similar type of content from the published research papers. Is it okay? Because we can find lakhs of papers in the world. So from lakhs of papers, how can we get the exact papers? Definitely, this is the tool. So first of all, you need to upload the base paper. From the this tool will check the content in the base paper. Then it finds the papers which are similar to the base paper content. Suppose the base paper is related to lung cancer detection using deep learning algorithms. So definitely it checks each and every paper where the paper content is related to the lung cancer detection using deep learning. Definitely that paper is visible through this particular tool. So here manually, no need to check how many papers are there, which paper is suitable to your research. Those things are already gone. Nowadays, we are in AI era. Definitely, under AI, first of all, you need to, in this case, you need to upload the base paper. From the base paper, this is the tool. It will analyze the content of the base paper, and it is the responsible to check how many papers are there which are similar to the base paper, and it displays all those papers through this particular tool. Okay, so here automatically suppose the paper is good, you can download the paper and you can read the paper in depth. That is your wish. So first of all, searching the paper is very difficult. Next one, elicit.com. Elicit.com, almost it is similar to the previous papers. Here again, I have given the prompt lung cancer detection, and this is the tool which checks the similar types of papers. Suppose it may find different types of papers, but it checks the top. It checks the content in the top four papers, and it displays the overview of those four papers. It okay, Miss all of you check it. One paragraph is there. That paragraph is nothing but the overview from the top four papers. If you want, you can increase the papers by clicking the drop down button. Yeah. Already I told these are the tools which are related to literature survey. Suppose uh, when there is a PhD scholar, definitely the supervisors will give the instruction to the PhD scholars to download 200 papers or 300 papers, then read the each and every paper and find what are the advantages are there, what are the disadvantages are there, and what limitations are there, what type of tools they have taken, what type of methods they have used, and what type of results are there. So definitely you need to get the information from those 300 papers. So after getting the information, again you need to prepare a consolidated report. What are the advantages from all those papers, and what are the disadvantages from all those papers, and what are the limitations in existing papers, and what are the drawbacks in existing papers, like that. This is nothing but the literature survey. Okay, so literature survey means the information from the existing papers. So for doing all these things, suppose when there is a paper, the paper may contain 30-40 pages. So to read one paper, definitely it will take 1 week, because it is not like 2-3 pages. It is it contains 30 to 40 pages. 30 to 40 pages, which definitely we are busy with our regular work, and reading a single paper, definitely it may take 1 week. One paper 1 week means how many weeks are required to read 300 papers. So definitely it is almost like 300 days. 300 days. But nowadays 300 days means it is very long duration. So that is the reason we need to take the help from AI tools. So that is the reason we are discussing about these tools, and especially elicit.com. So what is the main advantage from this AI tool elicit.com? So here all of you check it, right side some plus symbols are there. So what about those? Suppose you want to include summary of each and every summary of 300 papers, and methodology from 300 papers, and limitations from 300 papers, like that. You can find different types of plus symbols are there, and those are related to different topics. So here no need to read each and every paper in depth. Miss for literature survey, this is the tool will read each and every paper, and this is the tool is responsible to prepare a table. The table may contain different headings, column headings. The column headings are like already you can observe about Miss abstract summary, main findings, like that, limitations, metrics, like that, methodology, advantages, disadvantages, like that. You can find different types of columns and column headings. So here no need to read each and every paper manually. Use this tool, and you can prepare the content for literature survey paper. So when the content is ready, so easily you can read the content, and you can understand what are limitations are there in the existing technology, what are the disadvantages, what are the drawbacks, everything easily you can understand. No need to read the each and every paper. Already I told, paper may contain 30-40 pages. So single paper 30-40 pages, it may take 1 day or 1 week. So like that, how many 300 papers means 300 weeks are required. So how can we spend 300 weeks for reading the content and understanding the existing technology? It is very very difficult. Means nowadays it is not at all possible. Next one is size space. Size space. Same, almost same. Like earlier tools, it is also it gives some content based on the prompt. Here I have given the prompt lung cancer detection. Just I have given some prompt. Based on the prompt, it gathers some information from the existing papers, and here it is displaying answers from top 5 papers only. If you want, you can increase the number of papers. So nowadays it is very easy. Means whatever you want, you can give the prompt, and automatically these types of AI tools gets the information from the existing papers, and gives the like summary of the content. Almost similar to earlier tool. Here also same. It displays different types of side miss headings, column headings. Whatever you want, you can include that particular column. Summarize abstract results, summarize introduction, limitations, contributions, practical implementation, etc. Okay. So here all of you check it. In miss first box, you can observe it displays the title of the paper, and PDF is there, and one symbol is there, that is for save button, and one more symbol is there like quotation, that is for citation, and last symbol ask copilot. Suppose if you want to miss get more and more details in depth, definitely you can click on fourth option, that is ask copilot. Automatically the control will go to copilot, and you can ask your question. What about first option, PDF? Means for this paper the PDF available. So if you want to download, you can download the PDF paper, and you can read for getting more and more information from that particular paper. Second one is save button. Means if you want to save this paper for future purposes, definitely you can save the paper. No need to check one again and again. So once you save the paper, whenever you want to read the paper, it is available in your login. The third one, that is citation. Citation means suppose this paper is good for your research. Means definitely you can cite the paper. Cite the paper means suppose you are taking some content from this paper. So in such scenario, you are the responsible to include the details of this paper under reference. It okay? Miss reference of your paper. Uh, that is miss with a single click, automatically this paper will be added under references of your paper. Means no need to write manually. Is it okay? Miss later we will discuss about the citation. So some tools are available, reference management tools. Yeah, next one only. Yeah, reference management tools. So here, suppose whenever you are reading a paper, and the content is good, when the content is good, just a minute. Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. Chapman, sir. Yes, sir. ప్రొసీజర్ మీకు చెప్తాను సార్. ప్రజెంట్ వెబినార్లో ఉన్నాను. నేను మీకు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్తాను సార్ మధ్యాహ్నం. ఓకే సార్. So here, when the content is good, automatically you need to include the paper details in your paper under reference section. Okay. So here, how to include the paper details under reference? So here you can check two different styles are there. One is APA style, second one is MLA style. So here, this is APA style. Under APA style, how can you include? The first one is author and a list of authors you need to write. And within bracket, you need to write year of publication. Next one is title of the article. Next one is title of the journal. Next one, volume number. Within bracket, issue number. Next one is page range. You know, page range means suppose that paper may be from 128 page number to 140 page number. So you need to write page number. So already one example is there. First of all, it starts with authors, then within bracket year of publication 2020, and title of the paper, and journal of the name of the journal, then volume number 25, within bracket issue number, that is issue number 3, and page numbers 123 to 135. This is APA style. This is next one is MLA style. Some journals may ask to give the references in MLA style. So in such scenario, definitely you need to follow this particular syntax or notation. First of all, you need to write author or authors and title of the article, title of the journal, then volume, comma, issue, comma, year, comma, page range. Okay. Just one example is there, almost similar to earlier. And here volume is 25, comma, number is that is issue number 3, comma, 2020 means year of publication, comma, pp dot 123 to 135. pp dot means that is pages. Okay, 123 to 135. But here, writing the references, it is very difficult task, because when you are writing a thesis, the references may be 100, 120, or 150, or 200, 300 also. So here, writing all those references manually, it is very difficult task, because we need to follow either APA style or MLA style. So checking and writing manually is very difficult. In such scenario, you need to follow the Miss AI tool, that is reference management tools. The first one is Zotero. Zotero. It is a open source reference management software which help the researchers collect, organize, cite, and share research material. So this is the picture of the Zotero. So here, whatever you want to give the prompt, you can give the prompt, and automatically it displays all related papers, and from those papers you can select, and you can add those papers under your paper reference section. Is it okay? So this is easy, means with a single click you can add the paper under reference section. The next one is Jotero Bib. Jotero Bib. Jetbib.org. Just all of you note down. This is one more AI tool, that is jetbib.org. So here, suppose you want to get all the papers which are related to diabetic retinopathy or heart disease prediction. You can give the prompt, and it displays different types of papers. Suppose in this screen, for example, you can find one paper, and some symbols are there, you can check it. One double quotation symbol is there. That double quotation symbol is nothing but citation. So when you click on the on that symbol, automatically this paper will be added under your reference section. And second one is that is the symbol for copy. Means copy paste also you can use, that is your wish. You can copy here and paste in your reference section. That is also possibility is there. Next tool is EasyBib. EasyBib. Okay. This is one more tool. This is third tool. Just all of you check it. This is the website EasyBib. This all of you check the first topmost section of the website. Here you need to upload. You need to upload, or you need to give some title of the paper, whatever it may be. Then you can click on the search button. So based on the given the title, it displays different types of papers. Is it okay? Suppose here you're observing two different titles: image based glaucoma classification using fundus images and deep learning. Second one is some other title. Suppose the first title is suitable for your research work, you simply click on cite button. You simply click on cite button. After click on cite button, automatically this particular paper will be added under your reference. Means no need to write manually. Already you have observed API style or MLA style. Definitely, whatever it may be, these details will be added to your reference section. Suppose the second paper also you want to cite. You want to cite this paper also. So definitely you simply click on the cite. In next screen, here you can check it. MLA style or APA style, which style you want. Means some other styles are also there, but we are discussing about APA and MLA style only. Here, means in this screen it is showing like MLA. So when you click on MLA and when you select this button, automatically this particular paper will be added under your reference, under reference section of your paper. Is it okay? See, similarly, and the different options are also there. Right side, topmost right side, copy all, export all. So copy all means at a time you can copy all paper details and paste in your paper. Otherwise, you can copy all cited papers details and export all. That is also your wish. Different options are there under EasyBib. Next, Mendeley. This is also a reference management tool. Means nowadays, means suppose when there is a conference paper, the conference paper cited means references maybe 10, 15. But when you are writing a thesis, the references like 120, 150, 200 like that. So in such scenario, writing means reference section is very very difficult because uniformity should be there for reference section. So in such scenario, we are using these reference management tools. Okay. The next tool is Mendeley. Mendeley. So here I have given some prompt: lung cancer detection using machine learning. So here it displays different types of papers. And left side you can check year wise papers: 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, and some other. And top side you can check different options: most relevant papers, most recent papers, most cited papers. So that is your wish. You want to get most relevant papers, or you want to get most recent papers, or you want to get most cited papers. Most cited paper means that paper that paper is referred by many. Okay, that is nothing but most cited papers. Suppose my paper is there, my paper is referred by 100 persons. Your paper is there, your paper is referred by 20 persons only. So definitely, where the paper is checked by 100 persons, maybe the content of the paper is good. So that is the reason we are checking for most cited papers also in many times. Sometimes we are trying to get most recent papers, means latest papers. Sometimes we are trying to get most relevant papers. Is it okay? That is that depends on your opinion and maybe the necessity. Is it okay? Uh, this is about Mendeley. Next one is semantic scholar. Semantic scholar. So here, this is also one more reference management tool. Here, I have given the prompt like cholesterol prediction. Cholesterol prediction. Here, you can find it displays different types of papers. Suppose here it is showing like two papers. The first paper. First paper, you can observe the double quotation symbol, and 17,505. It means this paper is referred by 17,505 members. Okay. And second one option is there, that is PDF. It okay means this paper is available in the form of PDF. And the third one is the publisher, that is Finger. And fourth one, save. So when you want to save this paper, you can save it. And the fifth option, that is cite. Suppose you want to include this paper details under reference section, your paper reference section. So when you click, automatically this paper details will be added to your paper reference section. Okay, that is. And top side you can find field of study, date range, has PDF, means uh, that particular website provides any PDF of the paper as PDF already. The first link, it is showing like PDF, means this paper is available in the form of PDF. If it is not available, it will not show. Okay. And the last option, journals and conferences. Which one you want? You want to get the details from journals, or you want to get the details from conferences, or both? That is your wish. Next, writing assistance. Okay. So here, when you are writing a paper, automatically we are trying to get the help from some tools. Okay, that is like first one is Quillbot. Okay, so here, miss, you are familiar with Quillbot, but here so many options are there available. First one is a paraphraser. Miss, suppose you have written the content, when you want to change the content effectively, so definitely you can use the paraphraser. Automatically, the meaning is same, but the content is entirely different. Second one is grammar check. Suppose when we are not perfect in English, but we have written the content. Maybe content may have some grammar mistakes. In such case, you can use grammar check. Okay, grammar check. Third one, plagiarism. So you know very well. Srinivas, don't close this. Plagiarism means, you know very well, our paper content should not be copied from any other paper, otherwise you will be in trouble, means you will be catch under infringement case. Okay. It is very serious issue. So my sincere suggestion, if you want to write a paper, you should not copy paste. You can rewrite the paper, means some sentence is there, you can rewrite the sentence. That is, suppose if you copy paste from other papers, automatically it will give the information plagiarism checker tools. So those tools uh, can identify the content copied from which paper. Okay, just you have some idea on plagiarism check. Next, fourth option, AI detector. Nowadays, the people are using Chat GPT and some other tools. So in such scenario, AI detector. Suppose when the content is generated by the Chat GPT, that is nothing but AI content. But you know very well, the AI content should not be there in our paper. Suppose you have written some journal paper or conference paper, whatever it may be, the content should be written by a human being, not machine. Right? Okay. So if it is a machine, that is comes under AI. So the AI content should not be there in your paper. These are the different options under Billboard. This is a paraphrasing tool. Next tool is a Trinker. This is one more AI tool. And left side, you can observe different options: citation checker, plagiarism checker. These are important options available in Trinka. This is citation checker. Already we have discussed about the citation management tool, reference management tools. Like that, Trinka also acting as a reference management tool. And second option is plagiarism checker. So already you have observed in Quillboard, it is also we can use Quillboard as a plagiarism checker. This is the way how to check flag with Trinka. Okay, first of all, you need to upload your paper. Suppose you have prepared one paper, maybe conference paper or journal paper. So you need to upload the paper, and it displays some plagiarism report. Okay. Next category, reading articles with AI. Reading articles, sir. So already I told. Nowadays we are busy with many things. Means maybe academic or business or family or our parents or our children or some other we are busy. Means nowadays it is very busy life. So that is the reason when we are not in a position to spend more time on research. But my sincere suggestion, when you are doing a research, definitely you need to spend a quality time. Quality, not time. Time and quality time both are entirely different. Quality time gives some fruitful outcome. Time means it will not give anything. Just it is like time pass. Time pass. When you are spending time is that is like time pass. But when you are giving quality time, definitely it is fruit. It gives some fruitful outcome. That's why that is the reason artificial intelligence concept gives more facilities to the researchers, and on behalf of researcher, the AI tool read the entire article, and it gives the overview from the article. Just all of you note down. This is the first tool uh, for reading the research article. That is scholarship.com. Scholarship.com. Already I told, whenever your base paper is there, you can upload the base paper, and you will get the content. You will get the content from the base paper. Here, I have uploaded some base paper. Now, I would like to get some important content from this paper. So, in such scenario, definitely, definitely, you need to upload the paper, and automatically this scholarship.com gives some overview from the paper. And this is the way. Suppose different options are available in left side: snapshot, key findings, objectives, methods, results, conclusion, key concepts, and the last option is dig deeper. Suppose you want to get more and more information in depth in that paper, so definitely you can click on dig deeper. Okay. And the remaining options, suppose this slide is giving key findings. What are the key findings in that paper? And suppose from the paper you want to get results, definitely you will get the result. You want to get the conclusions, definitely you will get the conclusion. Suppose you want to get the objectives only, definitely you will get the objectives. And these are few future work. Suppose you want to get some idea on future work, definitely it will give the future work also. Next tool is Jenny AI. Jenny AI, it is very very important tool for researchers. And here, whatever you want to give the prompt, you can give the prompt, and automatically it gives some overview. And there is a facility, whatever you want to ask questions from the content, you can ask the questions, and automatically it gives the answer. Okay. And all of you check it, the topmost right side, some AI chart is there. AI chart is there means, suppose when you have some doubt, definitely you can use that option AI chart. Means you can give some question, automatically that particular AI chart will give the answer, exact answer. Is okay. So nowadays we should not ask our doubts to any miss supervisor or any colleague or any teacher. It okay, everything is in our hand only. Means we are dependent on AI only. We are not dependent on any human being nowadays, because it is like AI era. So from Genie AI, you can write the paper also. You can write the paper. Okay, you can write the paper. Suppose you want to write some research paper. Just a minute. Sir. Okay. Okay. How many? 10 minutes, sir. Mm-hmm. Okay. Within 5 to 10 minutes, can I conclude? Okay. Right. I will conclude it. Right. So here it is Jenny.ai. Next, paperpal.com. Paperpal.com. Same whatever you have observed in previous case, similarly paperpal.com. Next, you can note down the tools. Next one is chartpaper.ai. Chartpaper.ai. So here also you can
వెళ్తున్నా సార్ సమయం
dear Sarbai madam, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
చెల్లలాకపోతే పోనీ
Okay. Next, chartpdf.com. Chartpdf.com. Next, chartdoc.com.
అంత స్పీడ్ అయితే పెట్రోల్ కూడా
Next,
మైలేజ్
next explainpaper.com. These are different AI tools which reads the content from the paper and gives overview. That is very helpful for the researchers. AItext.com. Humanize AI text.com. This is also same. You can give the human content, AI generated content, automatically it converts to human generated content. Next, humanize AI text.ai. Humanize AI text.ai. Next one, aihumanize.com. aihumanize.com. Next one, aihumanize.io. aihumanize.io. So all these websites takes the AI generated content and converts to human generated content. Next one, it is nowadays it is very popular. Rewritify AI. Rewritify AI. But here, so many restrictions are there. At a time, it takes 80 words only. So, my personal opinion, you should not use this particular tool. Yeah, these are like some video, audio related means websites. Uh, okay, you can use this one also. Zero GPT. Zero GPT. It simply checks the content, whether it is AI generated content or human generated content. Next, phrasely.ai. Phrasely.ai. This is also same, human generated to no AI content to human generated content. It converts. Okay, because of time constraint, miss, I tried to cover as many tools as possible. But thank you very much for the organizers for giving me the opportunity, miss, to take the session. which is related to the role of AI tools in academic research. Okay, thank you very much for the organizers.
Thank you, Professor Balaji Maram garu,
Thank you,
for
sir.
your thought-provoking lecture and explaining the usage of various tools and applications in this AI. It is the time now uh, because our RJD madam is very busy, but still she has been on the line. And now may I request our RJD madam, who is a benevolent and also a good administrator, particularly touching all human problems in this area of collegiate education. May I request Madam RJD Dr. Shobha Rani Garu to address and grace the occasion. Friends, due to some busy administrative and academic busy, Madam told that she would speak in the last instance. So now may I request Dr. P.P. Chandra Bose, the IKSC coordinator, to introduce Professor Farooq Garu, who is going to deliver the next speech.
Good morning, esteemed colleagues, students and guests. I am Dr. P.P. Chandra Bose, IKC Coordinator at Government Degree College, Rajur. It is with immense pleasure and deep sense of admiration that I introduce to you our distinguished resource person for today's webinar, Dr. S. Muhammad Farooq. When I delve into Dr. Farooq's professional journey, I see a narrative of unwavering dedication, relentless pursuit of knowledge, and a profound commitment to the advancement of computer science and engineering. He is not just a professor, he is a visionary, a mentor, and a trailblazer in his field. Dr. Farooq's academic foundation is rock solid. He earned his BTech from JNTU in 2009, demonstrating early on his aptitude for engineering. He then furthered his expertise with an MTech from JNTUH in 2012, solidifying his grasp of advanced concept. But his pursuit of excellence didn't stop there. He achieved his PhD from the prestigious Vellore Institute of Technology, a testament to his rigorous research capabilities and intellectual prowess. Now, let us talk about his contributions. For 15 years, Dr. Farooq has been shaping the minds of countless students, imparting not just technical skills but also fostering a passion for innovation. As professor and head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Santiram Engineering College, Nanjal, he leads by example, inspiring his students and colleagues alike. His research contributions are truly remarkable. As you see from his Google Scholars profile, his work spans diverse areas within computer science, reflecting his broad expertise and deep understanding of the field. His publications in SCI and Scopus index journals, evident in his Scopus profile, showcase his significant impact on the academic community. His ResearchGate profile further demonstrates his engagement with the global research community, fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing, and his ORCID ID ensures he is recognized and connected within broader scientific ecosystem. Moreover, his personal website provides a glimpse into the professional journey, highlighting his diverse accomplishments and contributions. He is active in professional bodies like CSI and IST, underscores his commitment to the advancement of the field beyond his immediate responsibilities, and the numerous awards he has received as a testament to his exceptional contributions and recognized by his peers and various organizations. Today, Dr. Farooq will share his insights on AI tools and research innovations shaping the future of AI in 2025 and beyond. I am confident that his presentation will be both enlightening and inspiring, providing us with valuable perspectives in the future of AI. Please join me in extending a warm and enthusiastic welcome to Dr. S. Muhammad Farooq. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your introduction. First of all, I am honored to be here today as a resource person for this national level webinar on AI tools and research innovations. And I will extend my gratitude to the principal sir, Sai Babu sir, as well as HOD of CSC department, Mr. G. Varaprasad, for organizing such an insightful event and giving me the opportunity to share my thoughts. Thank you, sir. Varaprasad sir, shall I start the session?
Sure, sir. We
Yeah.
will start. Sir.
Sir, is my screen is my screen visible, sir?
Sir, sure, sir. You can start, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
So far, Dr. Balaji Maram sir covered most of the AI tools that has been used are being used in the community of educators as well as researchers. So what I will do is I will concentrating on writing some prompts. I think most of you people are from the teaching side, and many of you are using a lot of AI tools which are available. I make this session a bit interactive. So I would like to know how many of you are using AI tools in your day-to-day life. How many of you are using AI tools in your day-to-day life? Yes. So many of the faculty members are there who are raising the hands, who are using the AI tools. First, I will talk about ChatGPT as well as the Claude. These two are AI teaching assistants. So with the help of this ChatGPT and the Claude, you can able to generate engaging lecture notes, quizzes, interactive content. Not only this, you can generate the question papers, you can generate lecture notes, as well as you can generate different types of quizzes, as well as you can generate the case studies with small solutions that can be helpful to the students. The main thing that we need to concentrate while we are using the AI tools is we need to know how to utilize these AI tools available and what kind of prompts makes us to get the exact results from the tools available, right? So for example, as you know, it is very popular, ChatGPT is very popular and everyone is using the ChatGPT. But being a teacher or being a professor, being a lecturer in a degree or engineering colleges, how efficiently we are using this AI tool. Let's, I will share my screen. So instead of the PPT, just give me a second. Sir, is the chat GPT window is visible, sir, to all the participants? Professor, sir, chat GPT window is visible to all the participants?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, presentation is not been visible.
No, actually, I am showing the chat GPT tab. I stopped the presentation and I am
No, no
projecting
such
the chat
tab is.
GPT. That is, I am projecting the tab. Okay, just a second.
Sir, no presentation tab, sir. Only the camera is visible, sir.
Sir, I think it is audible and visible now.
Yes, sir. It is audible,
Just
sir.
audible, but just only your camera is visible.
Right, sir. Thank you. Right. Generally, let's see how we can able to generate the entire question paper from a syllabus. So we'll take one subject. You can write any kind of prompts over here. Let it be, for example, if you want to generate any question paper or objective type questions or the quizzes students, we can able to create within a very short time, because as we see in most of our examination patterns we have an objective questions, and nowadays it is becomes very difficult for the faculty members to create an objective type of questions from a very big syllabus. So you can make use of the AI tools available, and you can able to create very clearly and a precise question and answers from the given syllabus. Let's see, I'm taking here, I'm just copying the syllabus. Yeah, let's see here. Generate entire generate a question paper that includes 10 2-mark questions and 6 marks questions from the given include the Bloom's taxonomy level beside the question. I have just write one prompt, that is I ask the ChatGPT to generate a question paper that include 10 2-mark questions as well as 6 long answers, and I also mentioned that need to include the Bloom's taxonomy. So like this, you can use the chat GPT as well as you can use this for the research also. So let it be, if you want to do, or if you want to search, or if you want to know regarding to any research area that is currently trending, and that will be helpful for you to proceed with your research, you just write a query or write a prompt here so that the chat GPT can easily understand. Let it be, here I will write, what is the current research trend in image processing? So it is showing as of February 2025, image processing research is advancing rapidly, and then it is showing some key trends included AML, and what are the advancements in medical imaging, and how to integrate with the other data, development of vision transformers. So this will give you a input so that you can start with your research work, or that will help you to initiate your research work. And this is just one example that I am showing. Apart from this, you can do whatever you can with the LLMs available. So as this is one of the best best LLM. So similar to this, we are having another tool not to be as an Claude. Let it be. I will close this and I am opening another tool. Right, Claude.ai. So you just log in with your Google accounts. Both Claude as well as the ChatGPT, both are used as an AI teaching assistant tools. See, not only this, you can able to write the codes. You can able to write the entire code. You can able to make these LLMs to write the citation for the entire code.
సార్ ఎక్కడ అది లాస్ట్ పేజ్ లేదు సార్ నేను 20 రాసాను నేను రాను కదా నేను ఓడి రాసి మీకు ఇచ్చేది మనేసి
There is a later I will log in and I will show you how to work with the tools. Just give me a second.
ఈ సమస్యను ఫోన్ చేశాను అసలు నేను ఒకసారి అర్జెంట్
So like that, you can use ChatGPT as well as the Claude. So apart from that, you are having Elicit. This is one of the literature review tool, as sir already discussed about this. Balaji Madam sir already discussed about this tool. So it is, I prefer this is one of the best tool available to perform the literature reviews. Because once you log in into the literature elicit tool, elicit AI, you can able to upload any paper, and beside that one you can able to see it will generate a summary of the papers within a very short while. So actually it is very time consuming to read the papers as discussed earlier, right? So with the help of these elicit, we are having a lot of other options also in the elicit tool. We are having different types of options, and you called it as an simply you call this as an research assistance tool elicit. The name itself, it is going to analyze the research papers at a very high speed. So it is having a direct access to the papers. But whereas when you compare with the chat gpt, so chat gpt, if you ask any kind of research related queries, it will generate the generalized summaries of the paper, because the chat gpt is not capable to go through it directly. So that's the reason it is better to move on to these kind of tools when you are working on with your research areas. But with the help of this tool, it becomes very easier, and it's a very faster tool, I say, very faster tool. So apart from this, you might have different types of other options are available in the elicit. So it is better if you log in once and you can able to go through it, what is there, and how this elicit tool is working, then it will be very helpful to everyone. So another tool is Perplexity AI. So it is considered as an AI research engine. So it provides very reliable research answers. So Perplexity AI is, I recommend to use these Elicit as well as Perplexity AI tools, because definitely you are going to stun how these tools are providing a very clear research related answers to the queries submitted. So they are having options like you can upload the paper and you can get the summary results, right? So I will show the elicit. Yes, it's get loaded. So let me show you the elicit tab. So I think you can able to see this elicit, right? So you can ask your research question here. So when you log in into the elicit, this is the page how it will be looks like, right? So there is a options here. You can extract the data from the PDF, as well as you can able to extract the list of concepts. Let it be here. I will take this. I will write fake review detection in Twitter or other social media platforms. Right. This is how it will generate the results within a very short while. You can able to see the papers listed over here. The top 4 papers are there. At the left side, you can able to see the first paper, detection of fake reviews in social media using machine learning techniques, fake news detection in social media, identifying spam ads, effective machine learning. And from every paper, you are having the abstract summary here. So if you have your title with you, you just, or if you have any research idea, you just write that research idea here, research idea title here, then you will get a big list of papers. At the end, you can able to see there is a load more button. So when you click on load more, it can able to add few more papers, and probably you can able to see all these are latest papers only, starting from here you can see 2020, and then 24 papers are there, 2024, 23, right? And you can able to see how many citations are there to that particular paper also. And beside to this immediately you are having the overall summary, what is the abstract summary of this paper. And at these manage columns at the right side, you can able to see here, there are columns like summary. What are the main findings of this paper? So I am just adding this main finding. So here it is going to add the main findings in that particular paper. So this will helps you to save a lot of time that you are going to spend on your research. And if you want to know what are the different methodologies the authors has used in those papers, then you just add one more column, that is methodology. It is very easy for the researcher to find out what is this paper is all about, what are the main findings are there, what is the abstract summary of this paper, whether this paper is going to help us to our research work or not, right? So like that you can able to use this tool. And after this, I hope you after this elicit, I will show another tool that is called as an perplexity AI. This is one of the best tools available, perplexity AI. So at the top right corner, you just click on try perplexity. Right. So this is the page how it look like. Thank you. Just a second. I will show the login page. Sir, it's the login page is, I have just mentioned what is video streaming. Video streaming, how does video streaming works, type of video streaming, advantage, tools, services, right? Let it be. I will click on discover. Here you can able to see a lot of recent top stories are also listed over here in this tool. Right, let it be. Here I'm attaching one paper. Just a minute. Just I will upload one paper. So that you can understand how it works. So I'm just summarizing this article. Right. So when you upload any paper and just writing like summarize the articles, you will get the answer very quickly. It will clearly summarize what is this paper is all about. What is the paper is all about. See, at the right side, you can able to see search images, search videos. And this is another tool, Perplexity AI. And one more tool is called as an Trinka AI. If you want, I will just log into Trinka AI. So this is one of the best tool again, AI writing and grammar checking tool. Let it be here. I am logging with the credentials. Already I have an account. So let it be. I will show. Yeah. So this is the home page of the Trinka. At the left side, you can able to see My Drive, proofread file, citation formatter, reports, checker, plagiarism checker, journal finder, right? Let it be. Here again, there is option is there to upload a file. Here I will upload one file. Right? You just copy the contents here. I'm just copying the contents of an article. Just a second. Just a second. Device is getting slow. क्या जी? Sir, I think the so I have copied the contents of an article, right? Let it be. If you want to go for at the right side, you can able to see grammar check is there, paraphrases are there, consistency is there, reports are there, right? If I click on these grammar, so it is showing a lot of options that you need to check, because it is very important to have a proper grammatical document without any mistakes, because English is our while writing an article, it is considered as one of the important factor. Most of the journals will reject the article stating that uh, your English is not at all good, the framing of the sentences are not at all good. So probably when you go for any reframing or rephrasing, this kind of problems occur. So in such cases, it is better to go for using this tool Trinka, and you can check these whether whatever the contents are you have written, or whatever the contents you have copied over here, whether it is or having a good grammar or not. See at the right side, you can able to see a lot of changes it is showing. If you want, you can go for doing those things, or you can keep it as it is. Let it be here. I will go for paraphrase again, right? When you click on the paraphrase, it will ask you to select the para. Let it be here. I will select only, let it be, I will select up to abstract. So when you click on up to abstract, right? And let it be, check how it will go for and paraphrasing. Right. So here it is showing rewrite with AI, that is paraphrase. So here it done the job. It has been paraphrasing the text. And when you simply click on here, replace, the entire content has been reframed as well as paraphrase has been done, and the changed content has been updated here. So definitely this kind will help you out. This tool will help you out to check for grammar and to get the paraphrases as well as to get the other reports. So here when you click on the reports, you will get the citation checker, plagiarism checker, as well as journal finder is there. So definitely I will recommend this tool to all the researchers to make use of this to go for doing any work, as well as you want to know any updated research related information, as well as checking with the grammar, as well as working with the paraphrases. Definitely this Trinka tool will help in doing all these things. So after Trinka, let it be. So just we have covered basic some tools like so far we have discussed ChatGPT is there, Claude is there, Elicit is there, Plexifity is there, as well as Trinka. So these 5 tools I will consider as the major tools that will help you out for the academics as well as for the research work also. So with the help of this, you can able to generate the research related matter as well as research related abstracts, summaries, as well as it will help you out to go for an to do the literature reviews as well as to summarizing the articles, right? And with the help of these LLMs or with the help of these models, it will help you out to cover most of the things that are related to the project related, I mean your research related queries. And after this, let it be, I will show you some basic tools that will help you out being an academician. So as I already discussed, not only these tools are help for the researchers as well as for being a teacher as well as the professor, definitely these AI tools are helping out to save our time as well as to reduce our work. So I will show some different tools. Right, let it be. Yeah, another tool is Gamma AI. So not only Gamma AI, we are having another tools also. A lot of AI tools are there that can able to help you out to generate the presentations with the help of the Gamma AI. You just need to give a query, or you just need to give a prompt, or you can upload that paper, upload the document, or you can able to give the content. So it will immediately generate the PPT for you. But probably as it is a free tool, we can able to create only 8 slides at a time, and you are having some limited credits over there. So with the help of those credits, you can able to create the presentations very quicker, as well as visually it is very good. Right, this is how the Gamma page looks like. Right. So here you can click on create new, or you are having another option called new from blank. Here you can able to see there are 3 options are there: paste in text, or generate directly, or import a file or URL. Let it be. Here I will click generate. So I'm not giving any text here. So here I will write, what is the role of AI in education? And you can able to see here, there are multiple options are there: presentation, web page, document. So I will select the presentation, and it is showing 8 cards here. So for free, you can able to create up to 8, and more than that, you need to go for the upgraded version. Simply click on generate outline. And then you need to select what kind of theme that you want to present this. Let it be here. I will select this one. And simply I am clicking on. So it is showing you are almost generate. So let it be here. I will reduce the number of cards. Is asking for pro. Right. So I already tested. So that's why it is showing out of the credits. So as at the top right, sorry, below left corner, you can able to see there are 20 credits are there. And with the 20 credits, it is not possible to generate right now. So either you need to log in with different account, so that, and you just to click on generate, probably it will generate a very good presentations. And bolt AI, or you can say bolt new. So with the help of these bolt AI, you can able to generate the entire application, as well as you can able to publish the entire application into your GitHub accounts, and you can also claim that. So there is a scope, you can also claim that one. Right. So let it be, I will sign in. So generally writing an applications nowadays taking a lot of time. With the help of these AI, within a very short time, you can able to create, or you can able to clone. I can say you can able to clone any application. Is the screen is visible? Yeah. Clone. Let it be here. I'm writing clone and Instagram application. Not showing. Let it be. Clone and Instagram application. So when you simply write the prompt as clone an Instagram application, see it started working on that one. You need to have a good internet connectivity, that's it. Else it will take a bit time. Otherwise, it can able to create in a very, very short time. Right, in order to build any applications, I recommend to go for using this app, Bolt New. So it will generate the entire code, as well as there is option to publish the generated application. And if you want to download, you can download the source code, or if you want to do any kind of changes, you can also do the changes to the code as per your need, and directly you can publish it into your GitHub account, and you can claim that that application is created by yourself. So I think due to low internet connectivity, I can't able to show you how this bold.new works, but I suggest you to try it out. Try to clone any applications, and you can able to download as well as publish the code.
Sir, your voice is not.
Fine. So I think you understand Bolt New or Bolt AI. So this is one of the best AI tool available. So just with a single prompt, you can able to create any new application, or if you want to clone any application, it will clone. The only thing is you need to have a good internet connectivity. So within a short while, it will create, and you can able to download the code, do the changes, or if you want to directly deploy, you can directly deploy into your GitHub accounts. And finally, it will ask you whether you want to claim this. You can just, without any hesitation, you can go for claiming that. And another one of the tool that already discussed by Balaji sir is Quillbot. So Quillbot will help you out to reframe the paragraphs. So apart from this reframing or paraphrasing, you are having other options in the Quillbot. Actually, as Sir told, so whenever you generated something, we are having a lot of AI detectors now. So if you observe nowadays any conferences or journal publications, they are directly mentioning that it should be not an AI generated content, because we are having a very strong AI detector. Similarly, like as what we have an AI tools right now, we are having very strong AI detectors. So when you copy any content, or if you generate any content and simply pasting it in your articles, the AI tools will identify whether the content is generated by an AI or it has an humanized tool, or it is written by a human. So I recommend not to go for directly copying the contents. It is better to reframe or go for and paraphrasing by using some tools available, like as Quillbot is there, as well as Spinbot is there, right? So by using that, you can able to reframe as well as do the paraphrases according to the your work, and then you will submit. So directly don't copy the contents and don't submit to anywhere. And these are the few tools here. And beyond the basic AI tool, benefits are generally you can able to save more time here, and probably it will improve the. In order to build an application, if you can able to build in 10 minutes. In order to build a presentation, it will build in seconds of time. And if you want to generate any content from the chat GPT, it is producing in very short time. So ultimately, the AI tools are we are considering as a boom that are going to save the researchers as well as academicians times, as well as accuracy is also improved. And as you can see, AI is transforming academia. So with the help of these AI tools, we can able to change the way how we can able to teach, learn, because a lot of other tools are available that help you out, right? That will, if you adapt to such kind of tools in our teaching and learning mechanism, right? So definitely it will change the way both to the teachers as well as to the students. So with these few tools we have discussed, so I will, due to the time constraints, I will conclude the presentation over here. So I will just remind some top tools we have discussed. That is ChatGPT, Claude, Elicit, Elicit as well as Perplexity, Trinka is there, right? And Gamma, Bolt. These are the few tools. Quillbot. So if I get a chance for next time, I will discuss few more tools directly. I will run those tools and show instead of the participants. This is my YouTube channel and in 100 days, 100 tools for 100 days. So I request all the participants to subscribe. And thank you one and all. And if you have any queries, please feel free. Professor, sir.
Yes, sir. So thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. As you know, the webinar was successfully completed. On this occasion, I was proposed to vote of thanks. You know very well that was AI has already entered into our life in all sectors. That was the noted point. And in this connection, I am overwhelmed with gratitude for taking this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to each and every one of you for making our one-day national webinar a resounding success. First and foremost, I would like to thank our beloved principal, Dr. Sai Babu, for giving us the opportunity to organize this event. Your support and encouragement mean the world to us. To our esteemed guests, Dr. Narayana Bharat Gupta, Director, Commissionerate of College Education, AP, Dr. Krishna Garu, our beloved JD, Dr. S. Shobharani Garu, and our resource persons, Dr. Balaji Maram and Dr. SMD Farooq. I extend my deepest gratitude for taking the time to join us and share your invaluable insights with us. Your presence and contributions have enriched our webinar immensely. Huge thanks to our organizer. Before that, I would like to say thanks to Sri TSP Padmanabhan Garu, Vice Principal, for introducing Dr. Balaji Maran, resource person of the first session, and special thanks to Dr. P.P. Chandrabose, IQSA coordinator, for introducing another eminent resource person, Dr. SMD Farooq, for the second session of the webinar program. And come to the organizer, a huge thanks to Dr. Varprasad, head of the Department of Computer Science, for his tireless efforts in putting everything together seamlessly, and your dedication and hard work are truly appreciated. And last but not least, I would like to thank each and every one of our teaching and non-teaching faculty members and our students for your active participation and enthusiasm, such made this seminar and webinar a grand success. Thank you all once again for your support and cooperation and participation. Let us continue to strive for excellency together. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. And kindly extend your feedback, and then only you will get the certificate later on. Feedback link is given for your feedback, and later on certificate will be issued on that basis. Kindly follow and cooperate. Thank you.
డేట్ చెప్తే డ్రగ్ అబ్యూజ్ ఉంది.